Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Okta Identity Engine SDK in React Native. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install the Okta Identity Engine SDK in a React Native project, start by setting up your React Native environment. Ensure that you have Node.js and npm installed on your machine. If you haven't already created a React Native project, run the command npx react native init project name to create a new one. Navigate into your project's directory using cd project name. Next, you'll need to install the Okta SDK. Run the command npm install at okta/okta react native to add the Okta SDK to your project. After the installation completes, configure the SDK with your Okta details. You will need your Okta domain and client ID, which can be found in your Okta admin dashboard. Create a new file in your project directory called oktaconfig.js. In oktaconfig.js, export an object containing your Okta domain and client ID. For example, use the following format: export default, issuer, https:// your Okta domain, /oauth2/default, client ID, your client ID. Now, open your main application file, typically app.js. Import the Okta SDK in the configuration file at the top of app.js. Add the Okta context provider in your component tree to allow your app to access Okta functionalities. Wrap your main component with Okta's security component. Pass in the configuration object as a prop. You'll now implement Okta's login feature. Create a login button in your component that triggers the login process when clicked. Use Okta's UseOktaAuth hook to manage user authentication in your app. After implementing login, test the functionality on your emulator. To test, run npx react native run Android or npx react native run iOS depending on your target platform. Once the app is running, click the login button to initiate the Okta login flow. Follow the prompts to authenticate your user. Upon successful authentication, you should see the user information displayed. This indicates that the Okta Identity Engine SDK has been successfully integrated into your React Native application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.